Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. This is Mr. P. I just want to quickly show you. I just want to quickly show you a strategy here, like a strategy very fast. But see, as you can see, the stuff is already moving to what I'm just going to do. I know that this stuff is going to like give a little back, which is give a little back shift, which is already doing. But then I'm just going to explain the strategy to you, how this stuff works, how this stuff actually works. But before then, I don't want to miss anything. I don't want to miss anything. So what I'm just gonna do now is I'm just gonna quickly take a few trades. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly take a few trades. I'm just gonna take on let's say on 0.02. I'll be taking on a sell. I'm actually having 383 here. I don't plan on taking so much trades because of retracement. So I'm just going to quickly take another one there. Okay, guys. Now this is it. I think what do you guys think? Let me just add one more to it. Okay, now guys, look at something that just happened here. Now immediately as I saw this trade, I was like, wow, I just have to record this trade to actually show these guys this strategy. There's something, guys, about trading is that you don't just trade using a particular strategy. Okay, now that's the lie most traders will say sometimes, or most pro traders, they'll be like, you just need to focus on one strategy. No, when I trade, I use multiple strategies. Because a particular strategy is meant for a particular formation, a particular algorithm of deriv. Okay, so this particular broker, you just need to understand how the chart works, right? Now when you actually see how the chart works, you apply each strategy for each. It's like applying a particular medicine to a particular sickness. So it's like applying a particular drug to a particular sickness. That's just how it is, guys. That's just how it is. Now for this particular stuff, now look at what happened there. Now look at something, guys. Now I can just simply come here. You see, I'm having this guy here. I merge these two guys. Boom. Can you see what it gave me there? Now, a nice formation, right? Now, this particular stuff, those are my VIP. They already understand how I draw this stuff. This stuff is part of my internals. They actually understand perfectly what I'm talking about. But then, don't worry. Just look at what I'm showing you. Now, look at this particular stuff. We're actually seeing this stuff like this, right? Good. In such a way that this stuff moved from here, boom, hit here, dropped down, moved again, hit here, boom, dropped down, moved and broke out here to what? To form an external, dropped back down again, went up to form another internal, telling me that, see, on a long run, it's not possible for this guy not to get to this place. But first of all, what he's going to do is that, okay, let me zoom it in, let me zoom this in so we can see this properly. But what it's going to do first is that it's going to move until it hits the spot, right? It's going to move until it hits the spot. Now after, okay, I'm coming, let me draw that well. It's going to move until it hits the spot, or this spot first of all, where it is now. If you check, I'm already on profit, but I just want to show you something. Now it's going to hit this spot. This spot is a nice resistance zone. Now it has hit this spot. After hitting this spot, it's going to shift back a little. Then what? It might even shift back right before your eyes, or just straight move to this spot. Right now, after getting to this spot, it's going to move here until it keeps moving and get to this my particular spot here. Now it might cross this spot and come here to relax. Right now, that's it. So what do? I just go to my 4 hours time frame now. Boom. Now can you see on my 4 hours time frame, it's actually showing me what? A nice formation in such a way that if I zoom this stuff in like this, you actually see what happened here. This guy moved like this. Boom. Can you see that? In such a way that I'm having this 1, I'm having this 2, in such a way that it hits this spot, telling me that, hey, what is about to do now is actually doing something which is called a reduction process. It's doing something I call a reduction process in such a way that it wants to eliminate so many people from the trade by going up and down. After that, that's what it did here. It went up like this to eliminate people out of this cell. It came down again, right? Then went up again to eliminate people, came down again, then went up again to eliminate people. Then now it's dropping down again, telling me that, see, even before this guy thinks of going down again, it's going to hit the spot. Even before he thinks of going up again, it's going to hit the spot. Right before it does its second elimination process. Or you can just simply track this guy and track it like this in such a way that when it gets to any spot of this range, or any spot of this range, it's just going to what? It's just going to what? Go back up again or just come straight down, which is the final movement. So guys, that's just how this particular stuff works. That's just how this particular stuff works. Now you can see the back shift. I told you, if I go back to my 15 minutes time frame, boom, can you see what I showed you? I told you that immediately as it gets to this spot, it's going to do another back shift, and you can see it's doing the back shift right before your eyes. Guys, there's something about this strategy is this. There's something about this strategy is understanding what? Is understanding this particular formation. 1, 2, right? 2. In such a way that after hitting this 1 and 2, it will form a third one larger than this. Now, immediately as it forms this third one larger than this, wait, just relax. This trade will take hours. Just have patience. Now, when you see it forms another one here, you track these two, they link. Good. Now, after that, just relax. Come to this place, just look for where all these my fractals are, right? I'm seeing my fractals here, right? So I just do this stuff. My fractals are a lot here also, they're a lot here also. I just track them like this in such a way that I know that before anything happens to this trade, it must come to hit the spot, right? It must come to hit the spot in such a way that I'm having this guy small guy here, this one small here, a larger one, then a third smaller one. Now this particular stuff always happens, guys. Look at how it goes. If you want to draw this stuff, just write this stuff somewhere. Draw this stuff like this. 1 goes like this, play around. 2 then goes and form this larger one, then come down back again and go up to form something that is equal to this, right? Something that is equal to this. Now, when you see this formation, just simply come to this down. Draw this stuff like this. It will come. Don't draw it from this place, sorry. Don't draw it from this place. Draw it, let me take that off. Draw it from somewhere here. Take it up like that. It must surely hit this spot. It must surely hit this spot. Can you see what I just told you? Can you see what I just told you, guys? Now, so guys, this particular stuff you saw, it did the back shift and it's going to this spot which I just showed you. This spot which I just showed you. If you check now, I'm currently on crazy profits, guys. I'm currently on crazy profit. This stuff is just about algorithm, guys. It's a buy for me, guys. All you just need to do is to just what? Is to just subscribe to my channel. I have free seminar videos that I do, and all of them. Now I have free robots also, and the rest of them. So all you just need to do is to just subscribe, guys, to just be part of this particular team. All you just need to do is to just subscribe, guys, to just be a part of this particular team, guys. Now, remember to check my analysis. Remember to check my free analysis. This particular trade is a long trade. I'm not closing it now, but I don't like my video being too long. So, you can just actually go and check my free forex analysis. Just study everything that is there, guys. It's a buy for me. Peace.